Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these strawberry and white chocolate blondies. So let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl, and into your bowl place your butter followed by your white chocolate and melt the two together. To do this, I place mine in the microwave and melt it on 20 to 30 second intervals until they are melted, and once you stir them are fully combined, you're looking for something similar to this kind of consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in all of the granulated sugar and just whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. It does change the consistency of the mixture, but this is completely normal and will alleviate as we then go ahead and add in the eggs and whisk these in until they are fully incorporated. Take an extra precaution just to ensure that they are fully incorporated. You don't want no bits of raw yolk or white. Then add in your vanilla and mix until fully incorporated. Then finally you can go ahead and add in the flour and fold this in until it's almost fully incorporated. You can then go ahead and add in some white chocolate chips and fresh strawberry into the mixture and just fold them in until everything is fully incorporated. Not mixing too much as you do not want the strawberry to bleed. Then grab yourself a lined baking tin which has just been lined with some parchment paper and pour all of that blondie batter in there into there. Then spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. Once you have your blondie batter spread and leveled out as best as you possibly can, you can then go ahead and place dollops of the white chocolate spread on top of your blondie batter, feeling free to use as many or as few dollops as you may want. To get a good coverage all over, you'll want to place 9, one for each slice, then place some in between the gaps just so there's an even spread as once you put that knife through and start swirling it around, it doesn't always mix around evenly, so this should help even it out a little bit. Then just take a knife and just spread and get a pattern on top. Something similar to this will work really well, but again, you don't have to do this, you can just leave the dollops on top like that. Then you can place the fresh strawberry halves on top. Yes, these will sink into the batter, but that's what makes these so good, perfect for summer. If you don't want to place them on now, if you're not going to serve them that day, place them on the day that you're going to serve them. But just before you place them into your preheated oven, you can go ahead and take some just chocolate chips and sprinkle them on top, and this will just help to enhance that white chocolate flavour. And white chocolate and strawberries work really well together, so definitely recommend doing this. So here are what the blondies look like once they have been baked, fully cooled overnight in the fridge. Then you can go ahead and just cut them up into as many or as few portions as you would like. I went with 9, but that works really well for me, but you can get more or less depending on how many you need. It really doesn't matter, you don't have to tell me, I don't care. You can just cut them up however much or as little as you'd like. And as you can tell, the strawberry has sunken in, and this is completely normal. But you should have a dense blondie, which is the perfect consistency, and having those bits of fresh strawberry just works really well with the white chocolate. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, I'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed, bye guys.